freelance writing career for beginner.
Welcome you here. I am speaking book. You don't read the book. Allow me to read it for you. We lead you to the world of the knowledge. Just exchange your a few minutes to skill with us now. Please keep listening and watching. Interested in all the different services writing careers? Since most business owners don't have the time or skills to do this themselves, they are willing to pay freelance writers to do the work for them. When you first start as a freelance writer, it may seem that the only service worth offering is writing articles. The common misconception here is that writing for the web is limited to blogs. However, you'd be amazed at how many writing services you can offer as a beginner. As more and more businesses take to the internet to expand their growth and customer base, the more they are realizing the value of having well-written content, whether it's blog posts, landing pages, email outreach, or even Facebook ads. This is great news for writers, especially beginners, that will increase your experience and your income. What it takes to make a living as a self-employed writer by following these freelance writing. 1. Product descriptions. Product descriptions may be short and sweet, but when a business is looking to launch multiple products at once, they may not have the time to write them all. Product descriptions are different than landing and sales pages since you need to highlight the main features of the product in a short piece of content.
Oftentimes, product descriptions do not have to go into great detail, especially if the functionality of the product is obvious. For instance, a t-shirt is pretty self-explanatory. You really only need to describe the material and fit. However, more obscure products will need a bit more explanation to help potential consumers understand what it is and why they need it. Writing product descriptions is a great writing niche that can help you make money writing, as it's a great way to earn some extra cash and get some experience under your belt. I was hired to write product descriptions for Walmart, and I had fun crafting toy descriptions in a fun way. 2. Transcriptions. You may think transcribing services are limited to the business and medical world, but many bloggers are beginning to seek and pay transcriptionists. Because there is such a broad range of industries looking for transcribers, offering this as a writing service is a great way to make some extra income as a beginning writer. Transcribing involves taking audio or video recordings, such as a YouTube video or podcast, and converting it to text.
3. Online course content. Online courses are a hot commodity right now, with so many individuals excited about the idea of being able to learn new knowledge and skills right from the comfort of their homes. However, people who have a skill or passion to share sometimes have a great idea but lack the skills to compile it into a successful course. As a freelance writer, you can help these people by creating their course content. You can offer to write text-based pieces, scripts, and even create presentations. There is potentially a huge market for this writing skill, since selling courses is a great way to make passive income. People want to get in on that but don't know how to create the course material. 4. Sales pages and landing pages. In the world of online marketing, a landing or sales page is a single web page that promotes service, product, or opt-in. Many companies use these types of pages to convert site visitors into paying customers, while site owners often use them to capture emails to build their subscriber list. Sales pages and landing pages involve more than simply outlining what the business or site owner is offering. How the product, service can alleviate this issue, and a call to action asking the reader to do something. Overall, these pages emphasize the benefits of the product, service, and is an easy writing service to offer. Many businesses are open to paying a writer to create a compelling and converting sales and/or landing page. As a digital marketing writer, this is a writing service many business and blog owners ask me to write for them or help them with.
5. Resumes and cover letters. Resumes and cover letters are an important part of job seeking, since they help employers determine who they want to interview based on a quick snapshot of the potential job candidate. Not everyone has a way with words, and oftentimes an ill-crafted resume and cover letter can end their chances for their dream job immediately. Enter the freelance writer. You can use your writing skills to help individuals create and polish their resumes and cover letters to help increase their chances of getting a job. There is a huge market for this, and, as a beginning writer, you have the skills necessary to offer this writing service. 6. Slides and presentations. If you're handy with Google Slides or Microsoft PowerPoint, you could offer your services in creating slides and presentations for clients. Bloggers may seek to have certain blog posts converted into a presentation, or businesses may require training presentations to show their staff. Even if you're not adept at these programs, they are super easy to learn. You can use either to put together a presentation that features text, images, videos, audio, and cool transitions. Work with your clients to understand the style they are going for. Have them provide you with the information and any media they wish to include. To get started with this writing service to make money.
7. Editing and proofreading. There is a difference between editing and proofreading, but they do require a good for spelling, grammar, and punctuation. Proofreading focuses mainly on spelling and grammar, whereas editing can involve rephrasing sentences or restructuring sections of text. Whether you choose to offer editing or proofreading services, these writing services cover a wide variety of content, including web content, ebooks, white papers, student essays, and user manuals. Proofreading is important since blog posts, for instance, are structured differently than essays. Clients will seek editing, proofreading services since, while they may have the time to write their own content, they may not have the time or skills to polish it for publication. If you like speaking book, click thumb up and subscribe to the channel to gain more on your knowledge of the time watching videos. In case you think we missed something, please leave your comments and suggestions down below. We would love to hear from you. We hope that this provided you with not enough information and confidence to step out of your needing, or you do have any questions, ask, just write it down in the video comment box. Recommended reading. You may also enjoy the following books. Thanks for watching.